how to fix iCloud login error, verification failed. So if your verification is failing whenever you're trying to log into your iCloud account through your iPhone, iOS device or via iCloud.com, let us explore the options we have. So first I'll just try signing into my respective account here, and here when I select sign in with Apple ID, I can just enter the email address provided which I have access to, and then I hit the continue button, and then when I basically enter my password, I should be able to sign in. If my credentials are correct, I'll be basically given an access code on my email address. So if I go to my email, I'll be given a code from Apple which I could simply use to go ahead and then verify my account credentials, and once I've verified those details, I should be able to log in. If you're not being able to log in, try to reset your password, by the way. So you can click on forgotten your password button to reset using your phone or email. If you had set up your passkey, you could also sign in using your passkey instead of using your passwords. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and to subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.